Hello and welcome back, folks. Today we have a recipe from one of America's top agricultural states. Tater Tot Casserole is known locally as Tater Tot Hot Dish and was created by farmhouse cooks to feed an army of hungry farm workers. This dish packs protein, carbs and vegetables into an easy to make one-tray recipe that will keep you going for the day. So, if you're ready to cook, let's go. In a large cast iron pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and gently fry 1 chopped white onion until it becomes translucent. Add 1 pound of ground turkey meat and 1 pound of ground beef. Season with some salt and pepper and cook until the meat has browned and most of the liquid has evaporated. Add in 2 cans of cream of mushroom or cream of chicken soup and stir through until warm. Then set aside. In a large casserole baking dish, add in 250 grams of boiled green beans. Place the meat and soup mixture on top of the beans using a spoon and spatula. For the tater tots, I'm using this pack which I picked up from Iceland supermarket if you live in the UK or Ireland. If you can't find this, you can also use potato croquettes. Place the tater tots evenly over the meat. Bake in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove from the oven and you can optionally add some grated cheese on top and bake for a further 10 minutes or until the cheese has melted. So that's how you make Minnesota Tater Tot Casserole. Don't forget to subscribe for some more great recipes, and see you next time.